I've already done on one side for the paddle shifters. I'm going to on the other side for the negative. It comes with this sticky. It's like a 3M sticky on both sides. So I'll peel on one side. So this side I'll peel, and then I'll stick it here. I'll stick it here like this, and then I'll peel the top, and then I'll stick it to the back side of this paddle shifter. Here it goes here, and then it'll look like that. And it comes with this sticky. It's double-sided sticky, white on one side and red on this side. So I've already peeled this white side and stuck it onto this paddle shifter. Now I'm peeling the top, and then once it's done, I'm going to stick it on the back side of this paddle shifter, and it's gonna look like that. So now we have put these paddle shifters. This is how it looks. Nice red color paddle shifters with the red color interior and the red color steering wheel, and also this I have